When thinking about targeting and deciding where you want your code to run, it's good to know the advantages of direct mode versus remote mode. In direct mode, you're actually using your computer's microprocessor in order to run the majority of the code. Your computer is much more powerful than the EV3. This means that when you run non-EV3 functions, they will go much faster. And I say non-EV3 functions, indicating things like mathematics and other structures. Anytime that you're controlling the motors or reading from sensors, of course it has to go out to the EV3 and back, which would slow it down. Second, there's a variety of different debugging functionality that's available in LabVIEW that you can take advantage of when running in direct mode. For instance, highlight execution and other debugging techniques. You also have access to the front panel, which means that you can take advantage of front panel controls and indicators, either again for doing debugging or for creating good user interfaces. And finally, you don't have to compile and download. This sometimes can take a while, and therefore it's faster when developing to not have to compile and download each time you want to test your code. This can speed up the iterative design process. With remote mode, if you are using a lot of motors and sensors, there's faster communication when you're running on the EV3 itself. And second, the big advantage of the remote mode is that the EV3 becomes autonomous. So now you're able to take your robot away from your computer and run it anywhere.